A hexagonal pyramid of side of base 30 mm and axis length 60 mm rests on one of its slant edge on HP such that the plane containing that slant edge on which it rests on HP is inclined at 40 degree to VP, and draw the projections of it. So, the hexagonal pyramid of side base 30 mm. We have to draw a pyramid of base side 30 mm which is resting in HP. So I will draw. This is 30 mm. The angle of hexagon is 120 degree. So I will draw it. So I have drawn here hexagon. So I am going to take projections up to this reference line. I will make these lines faint, so that will be more beneficial after when I will take the main lines. From center also, this is center line. Now the given is axis length is 60 mm. So I will take this axis, I will extend this axis from reference line up to 60 mm. This, and I will join all these things, all these points. Now I'm giving names here. This is A point, this one will be B, C, D, E, and F. This will be center O. This will be D dash, C dash, E dash, B dash, F dash, and A dash. This will be O dash. Now first condition is given as one of its slant edge on HP. This is slant edge. We have to rotate this in such a way that this edge will be lie on XY line or reference line. So I will take it. This is O dash and this is A dash, A1 dash, O1 dash. Now from this A to D dash, A dash to D dash, I will mark it here, and this O dash to D dash, yeah, here it is O dash to D dash. I will join these intersecting points. So now I will take this distance and draw it here. And I will join these points from O dash so these points will be B1 dash, F1 dash, O dash, O1 dash, sorry, C1 dash, E1 dash, and D1 dash. Now I will take projections from this. I will draw these projection lines little bit faint. Projections from here also. I think this one line is okay. So I have taken projections from all these points. So line coming from A1 dash and A, this is the point. Now line coming from B1 dash and B, this will be the point. Similarly from F1 dash and F, C1 dash and C, E1 dash and E, D1 dash and D, and this is O and O1 dash. I will join all these points. Here are these, and this will be the hidden line, so I will draw it by dotted lines. Because this is not visible from this point, here will be our center line. This line will be also invisible. Now I will give names here. This is A1, this is B1, F1, C1, E1, and D1. This is O1. So the next given is slant edge on which it rests on HP is inclined at 45 degree to VP. They have given 45 inclination with VP. The inclination with VP is seen in the HP. So what will I do is I will draw 45 degree inclination in HP, because inclination with VP is seen in with HP. So 45 degree with VP, that is seen in HP. I will extend this line. This is 45 degree. I will take this distance and mark it here. These points will be A2 and O2. Now I will take this distance. I will mark it here. And here also, because both the distances are same. After that I will take this distance. I will extend this distance. Now take this distance. From here. Then I will join these points. One point is remaining, so from here this is D1. Yeah, this will be point D1. So I will join it. Sorry for the disturbance. I will give names here. A2, this will be B2, C2, D2, E2, and last one F2. Again I will draw the invisible lines by dotted lines. So this will be invisible. I will draw this line also by dotted line, and this is also invisible, so I will make it dotted line. So now take projections from all the points. I will take the projections by faint line. From here also we have to take projections. So I will take the point from F2 and here f1 dash will be f2 dash point from e2, and e1 dash it will be e2 dash. This is e2 dash, line coming from a2 and a1 dash. This will be the point a2 dash, line coming from b2 and b1 dash. This will be the point b2 dash, line coming from d2 and d1 dash. This point is d2 dash, line coming from c2 and c1 dash. This point is c2 dash, line coming from o2 and o1 dash. This will be o2 dash. So what will I do is I will join all these points. I will join all these points. These will be dotted lines. I am drawing dotted lines here because they are not visible. So this is the solution of this particular problem, and sorry, this will be visible, so I will draw it not dotted, continuous line. This is visible, and this will be invisible, so I will convert it into the dotted lines. I will erase these lines and I will draw it here dotted line. They are invisible, so that's why I will draw it here dotted line. So this is the solution from this particular problem. Now one thing is remaining, that is here it is 30 mm and this height is 60 mm. So I will write it here, dimensions 60 mm. So this is the solution for this particular problem. Thank you.